Hello friends, it's mail day. This is something I previously got in the mail from a good friend. I thought it was pretty unique. It's made from a bunch of different license plates from different states. And if I have a link, I'll link him in the description. I think he sells via Facebook Marketplace or Etsy or something, but if he does have a link, I'll leave it in the description. So that's pretty cool. That's one for the wall. Wait, no, that's a cat. Now, on to bigger things. Okay, always seem to get interrupted. Wow, I'm actually going to need to zoom out here. This package is so big. Okay. Alright, so this is a package from a guy named Jeff. If he has anything to plug, I'll put that in the description. This is several items, and it's very large, yes. Okay, so basically, being in the retro scene and selling on eBay and having a YouTube channel, you know, you get to meet some people, at least remotely, you know, pen pals or whatever. The electronic version of pens anyway. So this gentleman picked up some items in an estate sale, lots of items of the same Commodore vintage stuff. So he didn't give me this, I bought it. So there is an item in here that he wants me to repair as well. So anyway, let's check it out here. He really packed the heck out of this. Please do not drop thank you this side up, it says over here. The box is in pretty good condition. It doesn't have any crunched corners. So it looks like he boxed things individually in here in separate boxes. So one moment please, as Big Clive would say. Packing peanuts suck. Okay, that got rid of almost all of them before that vacuum filled up. Wow, cool. Vampire needle nose pliers. And he said that this is his preferred method for straightening out IC chip legs because it doesn't have any serrations on the blade, on the, you know, on the clamping part, the plier part. And he also sent me a capacitor kit. More on that later. So we have a thin white box. We got this. I should probably zoom out. We got this box here. And then down at the bottom, we have this box. So let me get these boxes organized here. Okay, first box. I didn't count on him having labels on the boxes inside too, so I had to blank them out. So here we go. This, I believe this is something that he sent me for repair, not to keep. Yeah, it's another Amiga 1200 motherboard. he said that one of the pins is missing. One of the pins is missing on the IDE connector. Oh yeah, there it is right there. Okay. So there's a missing pin on the IDE connector. And so that's a project for us. He also wants me to recap it. And that's where this comes from. I guess he bought a recap kit for me to do that with. So that's one project we have. And let's pick this one next. So both of these items are from an estate sale, I guess, from some Commodore junkie, and the guy gave me a fair price for them. Oh, this is the okay. Hold on a minute. I don't want to reveal the things too in the wrong order. Okay, well that goes with this. And this is something I've never owned in my entire life. 5 1/4 floppy disks. And I wanted him to send me those. Obviously we can tell at this point we're talking 8-bit, right? And if you're smart enough, you know what kind of power supply this is for. For some reason, I'm craving bread. Does anybody know why I'm craving bread? I'm craving bread because of this, if I can get it open. Something I've also never owned, but used, spent hours on when I was a kid. Commodore 64 bread bin. I've never owned one. My cousin did. My cousin and I were like peas and carrots when we were growing up. And we were both young teens, I would say, when he got his first Commodore 64. And all he had was, a cartridge for it or something, and we just plugged it into the TV and had fun with, let's see, Aztec Challenge, and I don't remember what else it was. And also, it came with an instruction book that said, oh, you can program a game. You can actually write a game. We copied the game. It was like a Wumpus type hunting game or whatever. Go east, go south. I hear bats, that kind of thing. I don't think it was quite Wumpus, but it was very close to that. And we typed it all in, and the game actually worked, and that was amazing. That was my first time ever programming. I'm not a professional programmer, but I've written code, and I still continue to for Arduino when I need it. So I've actually... I can't say that I'm not a professional. I mean, I was never trained or got a degree, but I actually wrote commercial software that I sold. It was utility software, but so technically speaking, that's more than most people could say, I guess. All right, so wait, no, 15.4. Uh-oh. Looks like our bread bin might have lost a screw. I guess I should probably shake out these boxes once I get all the packing peanuts sorted out of them. Alright, so this is our next piece. Okay. And that's probably him. I sent him a picture of the box, and he was very excited that it was coming today. I didn't even realize it was this big box was coming today. I thought it was coming tomorrow. Does anybody know what this is? Comment below. Yeah, you're not going to fall for that. You like those YouTubers who ask you to comment below in a video that they already filmed and are done with? So what do you think? You know what that is? Are you an expert? That's right, folks. It's a Commodore 128D, D as in dog, and with keyboard. These are super expensive, the keyboards. This is basically, you can buy these, you know, it's going to cost you $300 or whatever, but you can buy the CPU. The thing that you can't get very easily is the keyboard with it. So I'm very appreciative of him giving me a fair deal, a good deal, a cool deal, a friend's deal. I'm not going to tell you how much I paid for anything, sorry. Anyway, cool, man. Now I already have a Commodore 128. And I'll have to decide whether I want to keep it. But I actually have a Commodore 128, the regular one, and it's in its box. Anyway, so that's why I needed the discs, right? I just wanted to make sure that the drive works and that I could actually do something with it. Now in my 128, regular 128 box, I have an IEC to SD or SD to IEC, whatever that thing is called. So I can actually load stuff on that, and it'll load on this as well as an external drive, I would think. It's the same computer, it's just bigger box and, you know, more ports, I guess, or I don't even know. I don't know much about the 128D other than it looks really cool. It looks like an Amiga 1000. It's the predecessor, it's the direct predecessor of the Amiga 1000. It only came out a year or two before, or maybe even after the Amiga 1000. I don't remember. I'll put it up on the screen. But anyway, I'm real jazzed about this. This is going to be a short video. This is all of this video. This is just an unboxing video. This way I can sort of surprise the audience. I'm not going to put what was in the box on the title because that's a common spoiling thing. I'll do separate videos on these items that I got, the repair and the 64, and well, I don't know about the 64. What, you know, maybe I could do a mod to it or something and put that up. But the 128 I did mod. I put Jiffy DOS in it with a toggle switch. And what I see here is I see a little toggle switch under here. I don't know how well you can see that, but there's a toggle switch on this. So apparently this might have a toggle switch for Jiffy DOS too. The guy's really, really super nice. I sent him the money, he sent me the stuff. That in itself, and the way he packed it, and how nice he's been over communications, and he even wanted to talk over the phone, and we did that. This was really cool. I mean, to see this, now that it's open, I'm on board with the excitement. That's really, really cool. So anyway. All right, friends. Well, we'll talk to you later. See you soon.